Okay, let's go in and look at sharpening an image using Camera Raw. So in the library, we went to details and we opened up these images, and then we jumped over to develop. And we're going to click on this picture here, this young lady. And what I want to do is sharpen it. So I'm going to come over to the sharpening, and you can see what happens is that when you sharpen the image, the differences between the pixels gets greater. And then I can modify it by adjusting the amount of detail. Is it better with less detail or more? And then the masking softens the overall effect. So I'm sharpening the image, and then I can choose how much detail there is, and I can look in the little bubble over here. I can adjust the detail area by clicking in the image and apply an overall sharpen to the image. You always want to sharpen at 1:1.